Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can make Google Docs read aloud your documents for you really quickly. So let's get started right away. Now, in the first step, guys, make sure that you access Google Docs through Google Chrome. So launch Google Docs via Google Chrome, open your document you would like to listen to. And what you want to do after that, guys, is simply click on Tools here at the top and select Accessibility from that drop-down menu. And after that, enable this option or feature here, turn on screen reader support, confirm by clicking on OK here. That is going to add the accessibility feature here to your top menu. What you want to do after that, guys, is head over to the Chrome web store, search for an extension for Chrome called Screen Reader. Pick the one you find the most appealing. I will go with that one here for the sake of this tutorial, Screen Reader for Google Chrome. Click on it, make sure that you add it to your extensions here on Google Chrome. Once it has been added and installed, head back to your document on Google Docs, select the part of your text you would like to listen to, and click on Accessibility here at the top. Select Verbalize to Screen Reader from the drop-down menu, and select Verbalize Selection, or use the shortcut Ctrl-Alt-A or Ctrl-Alt-X. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.